हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारा पार्ट थर्ड है बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 191 से हमने 190 तक पिछले वीडियो में देख लिया था। द क्लोव इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम buds of flower. The small and simple molecules of different chemical configuration are plant growth regulator. These are andole compound, adenine derived carotenoid and terpene. The maximum height that a tea plant can attain in nature is 5 feet. The main work of Golgi body is secretion. Which cellular organelle DNA has? It has mitochondria. इसमें ये क्वेश्चन का लैंग्वेज गलत है। इसमें होता विच सेलुलर ऑर्गेनल हैज़ डीएनए, तो आंसर विल बी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। द सेलुलर एंड मॉलिकुलर कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रोग्राम्ड सेल डेथ इज कॉल्ड एपोप्टिस। और अगर ये सेल डेथ अनप्रोग्राम्ड होगा तो आंसर विल बी नेक्रोसिस। अनप्रोग्राम्ड सेल डेथ। Usually on the grass and horticulture leaf, water droplets are seen to be appeared in the early morning. These water droplets accumulate through stomata, and this process is known as guttation. When we consume the goat or sheep mutton, then we are secondary consumer. The hydrophyte is an aquatic plant. Which one of the following plant is xerophytic? Correct answer is none of these. Which of the following is an example of abiotic component of environment? Air. Hydroponics is associated with plant growth without soil. Which one of the following is the largest decomposer of the solar energy? Correct answers are green plants. The epiphytes are those plants which have self-sustained growth and development dependent on other plant for their mechanical support. The bacterium which causes crown gall disease in plant is. The correct answer is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. A biogeographic region with a significant reservoir of biodiversity that is under threat from human is called biodiversity hotspot. The scientific analysis and study of the interaction of organisms and their environment is called ecology. The meaning of flora and fauna is plant and animal. The main function of the inner bark of a woody plant is to transport food from leaves to the other part of the plant। और इनर बार्क ऑफ प्लांट को और कुछ नहीं बल्कि फोलम बोलते हैं। मतलब बेसिकली इट इज आस्किंग द फंक्शन ऑफ फोलम। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम? करेक्ट आंसर इज पैडी फील्ड। द रेट ऑफ हार्ट बीट फॉर ए नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी इज 72। Liver of human body plays a significant role in digestion of fat. Liver produces two significant fat digestive enzymes. Correct answer is A is true but R is false. लीवर एक तो बाइल प्रोड्यूस करता है और जो प्राइमरी फैट डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम है वो होता है लाइपेज, और लाइपेज को प्रोड्यूस करता है पेनक्रियाज। Question 213. Under which branch of science bones are studied? Osteology. And orology is the study of mountain. And serology is the study of blood serum. The human in food chain is, it is both primary and secondary consumer. The study of fishes is called ichthyology. Spelling here is wrong. It will be ichthyology. Cryptology is the study of codes, and lepidopterology is the study of butterflies and moths. The study of butterflies is called lepidopterology. Which of the following human organ is affected by the consumption of aflatoxin food adulterant? Correct answer is kidney. Which of the following is studied under ornithology? Correct answer is will be bird. Correct answer will be bird. And in the which of the following human organ is affected by the consumption of aflatoxin food adulterant? The correct answer will be lungs. Sorry, the correct answer will be liver. It will not be lungs. Here correct answer will be liver. And which of the following is studied under ornithology? The correct answer will be birds. Which of the following is studied under gerontology? Old ages. And here aflatoxin is produced from fungus. They are mycotoxin. The branch of biology under which insects are studied are known as entomology. Along which of the following pediatrics are related? Child disease. Who propounded the theory of jumping gene? बारबरा मैक्लोंटॉक. और जंपिंग जीन को हम ट्रांसपोजोन्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. और फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ जंपिंग जीन ही हैज़ बीन गिवन नोबेल प्राइज इन 1983. Through which of the following disease Edward Jenner is associated? With smallpox. And Edward Jenner is also known as the father of immunology, and he has also developed first vaccine for smallpox. The scientist who firstly explained about the blood circulation is William Harvey in 1628. Which of the following is not the risk factor in the declination of tiger population in India? Correct answer is adaptation of wild animals gallery. The most appropriate description about the biosphere reserve is the study area of sustained growth and development. The theory of evolution was propounded by Charles Darwin. Jaundice caused the infection in the liver. जॉन्डिस में बिलिरुबिन की जो मात्रा होती है वो बढ़ जाती है लीवर में. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्ट? आई थिंक Alexander Fleming invention of penicillin, this is correct. Jonas E. Salk anticoagulation of polio, this is also correct. But Joseph Lister, this is not correct. Joseph Lister is associated with the use of carbolic acid to prevent infection after and before surgery. He is known as the father of modern surgery. The father of modern antiseptic surgery is Joseph Lister. And Jonas E. Salk has developed first successful polio vaccine, but the polio vaccine which we take today, which means oral polio vaccine, has been developed by oral polio vaccine by Albert Sabin. The, inoculation of rabies was invented by Louis Pasteur. The principle of natural selection was given by Darwin. The word histology was first coined by Mayer. His full name is Karl Mayer. The thickest human skin is of sole. The most appropriate answer will be both sole and palm. Which of the following is secreted through lacrimal gland? It is tear. The longest cell of the human body is nerve cell. The vector of Japanese encephalitis is virus. They are spread by mosquito, and mosquito are of Culex species. Which of the following example is an example of tissue? Blood. The in living organism biotic catalyst is called enzyme. In which of the following has not been included in the classification of IUCN list of threatened species? Harmful. The principle of one gene, one enzyme was propounded by George Beadle and Edward Tatum. Which of the following is necessary for the impulse communication in muscle fiber? Sodium. Who gave double helix model of DNA? Watson and Crick. Which of the following instrument measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Which of the following is a sex-linked disease? Color blindness, and it is due to the presence of X chromosome. Color blindness in human being is caused by the defective X chromosome, so it is more prevalent in males. Which of the following occur in hemophilia? Blood does not clot. The headquarters of UNEP is located in Nairobi, Kenya. Lamarckian theory of organic evolution is usually known as the theory of inheritance of acquired character. There is a possibility of contamination in processed and wrapped food stuff in newspaper is of lead. Which of the following pollutant is biodegradable? Flowing sewage. Which of the following is not the residual human organ? The correct answer will be 4 flattened teeth. And residual human organs are those organs which have no use in today's time, means they have lost their most of their use during evolution, and they are also known as vestigial organ. So the correct answer will be appendix, tailbone, muscle that move ear, and wisdom teeth. The theory of evolution was propounded by Darwin. The metal constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. The life originated from water. The vitamin which contains cobalt is vitamin B12, and it is known as cobalamin, and vitamin B1 is known as thiamine, vitamin B2 is known as riboflavin, and vitamin B6 is known as, there is no vitamin B6, vitamin B6 is known as pyridoxine. B7 is known as biotin. The locomotional organ of amoeba is, the correct answer will be contrastile vacuole. Which of the following is known by the name of green protozoa? Euglena. It is, E is missing here, and it has photosynthesis. Which of the following protozoa is known as the connective ring of plant and animal? Euglena. In human body, a fluid substance, namely atomobia histolia, is found in the intestine and especially in the large intestine. The protozoa which causes malaria is Plasmodium. The protozoa which causes dysentery is Entamoeba histolyticea. The protozoa which causes Kala Azar is Leishmania. The sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma and it is spread by a vector fly. A unicellular disease resistant parasitic protozoa found in the human intestine is E. histolyticea. The substance which is used like a gift item in Japan is Euplatelia. Which of the following is known as Venus flower of basket? The correct answer will be Euplectilla. It is a scientific name of sponge. Which of the following blood does not exist but respiratory activities are found? Hydra. Which of the following is not the factor of air pollution? They all contribute in the air pollution. The dinosaurs were they I think one page has been missing from here, so we will continue from question number 300. Which of the following is not the factor of air pollution? Agriculture activities. The dinosaurs were Mesozoic reptiles. The largest living bird is ostrich. The smallest living bird is hummingbird. The excess use of fertilizer causes soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, means all of the above. The largest flightless bird which can run most fastly is ostrich. Archaeopteryx is the most primitive bird of the Jurassic era. Which of the following is not the cause of water pollution? To catch fishes near the bank. The pavo cristatus is a scientific name of peacock. Which of the following problem is not related to our environment? Afforestation. Which of the following is known as the national aquatic animal of India? Dolphin of Ganga. The largest living mammal is blue whale. Which of the following has the smallest living cell? Mycoplasma, and mycoplasma does not have cell wall. Which one of the following is not biodegradable? Silver thin foil. The heart chamber found in the whale are 4 because whales are mammals and all the mammals have 4 chambers of heart. The total number of bone found in human body are 206. What is the Siberian ibex? Siberian ibex are tall and heavy goats. The tissue which play a significant role in the growth of all the bone is cartilage. The open outer layer of skin of human body is called epidermis. The smallest bone of human body is stapes and they are present in the middle ear. The longest bone of human body is femur or thigh bone. What converts fibrinogen into fibrin? Thrombin. In which of the following organ of human body bone tibia is to be found? Leg. The bone of which of the following organ in human body is the largest? Thigh. The neutrophils and lymphocytes originate from bone marrow. Which one among the following statement is correct? All enzymes are protein. Which of the following is not a digestive enzyme? The correct answer is insulin. Through which of the following organ maximum nutritional element in the blood are absorbed? Small intestine. Which one of the following enzyme is found in the saliva? Correct answer is ptyalin. Ptyalin or amylase that breaks starch into sugar. And we will see the rest of the MCQ in the last part. Thank you.